Okay, this video tutorial is for iOS. It's going to show us how we would add multiple buildings to one address. And so you're going to have quite a few places throughout the city that has one address, but you may have several buildings or facilities at that one site. And so let's go with 1810 Martin Luther King. We all know where that's at. So you can search for it here. You see it automatically populates there to put us a nice pin there so we can find it. Or you could have just gone straight to the building and tap on it to select it. And just a reminder that tapping on buildings really does nothing as far as selecting a building. So like when you have these pictures of buildings here, these are just graphical images of building from the Google Maps. So the only way you can really select a building is if it actually has a footprint. And so when you tap these, you're not tapping a building per se, you're tapping the footprint, and so that selects the building. But the thing about this one is, and you can always tap to deselect it. Well, we have 1810 Martin Luther King here, and you have the main public safety center building here, which is in here, but you'll see we have the shop back here in the back. And we all know it's not necessarily attached to the building itself. So we want to do a pre-plan for this building that's at the same address. So the way you do that is you're going to click the plus down at the bottom right, and you're going to select Add Pre-Plan. And then we're going to tap the corners, and you can you can zoom in on this as close as you can get it so you can be as accurate as possible. So, and you just simply tap the corners. All right, notice I messed up on this one. I really don't like it. So you can always click cancel and start over again if it's not coming out the way you wanted it to. So let's add pre-plan, tap, 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 and tap, and that'll close it up. And once you have it there, you can click save in the upper right hand corner. And now what we want to do is put in the business name, and we'll just, when you have multiple buildings at one address, you can add them as the same business, but you want to specify what the building is. And so in this case, we're going to do Monroe Fire Department. We'll say shop. That way we can kind of distinguish it from the rest. Okay, and I'm not going to do the rest of the information, but we want to do district number, all the other information that needs to go in there. Just click done, click next. Since we're doing a new pre-plan, it's going to take you to the next page, and of course you can go through this. We would call this maybe an industrial, I don't know. And of course we want to operate all those. Populate all that. Next. And we're not going to do images right at this moment, and just click save. And so now we have a footprint and a pre-fire plan for the Monroe Fire Department shop that's located at the same address as the public safety center.